Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm trying to attempt to fix this analog antenna that came apart on this Alpine stereo. This one has a CD player. So I got broken off over here, this section. So I will need to remove the screw in order to pop up this top cover. And also the wire connection. There's a 10 amp fuse over here. So there's a CD. Wow. So the wire got broken off. And this is the FM receiver. See if I can try to solder it back. So the outside I actually have no problem. The problem is the one in the mid section. Let's see. I don't see any metal, so So yeah, since I need to desolder this joint in order to remove the, oh shoot, right there. somehow this thing is broken off. It's supposed to insert right there. So whoever pulled it so hard, it come apart. So it broke the wire. So let's go ahead and desolder it. When I touch it, it might be so hot. Alright, so I finally finished. This is the FM module soldered to that wire. That's the middle wire for the antenna. I'm gonna use a black tape, and then this one go to here, where the antenna connector is at. So I kind of bridge over here and there because the wire, I don't want to short the middle one in there. And that's where I'm going to put the black tape to cover it up so it doesn't get shorted. So yeah, that's how you fix your FM antenna in case it breaks. So yeah, it's just you gotta improvise. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.